Hello guys, welcome to our latest video. Today we're going to unboxing some of my parcel. So let's open it, guys. Ta-da! Wow. So this item that I ordered from AliExpress is one of my projects. And one of the truth is that I save money by buying on AliExpress. And my item is Arduino. We all know that Arduino is popular open source platform from creating electronic projects. It consists of a small board and software that allow you to program it to control lights, sensor, motors, and more. Arduino is a great from the beginner like me due to the simplicity, low cost, and flexibility, making it popular choice for learning electronics and creating fun projects. And I saved $3.71 by buying an AliExpress because if you buy an AliExpress, you can have promo, which is the total price is $4.70. But for you guys, I swear, you can get this item for only $0.99 and save $3.71. See guys, how much money you save? And in short, Arduino is a great tool to learn about electronics and build fun projects without needing to be an expert. This one is USB connector and this one is power port, and the other side is analog input pin, and this one is digital pins. So the third one is a reset switch, if you see the small one, and this one. So that's all guys. Bye bye.